Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a portfolio in Wings. So here, as you can see, the first thing that you can do is basically open your internet browser. And here we're going to search for wings.com. And then you'll find this Wings homepage. Now here, what kind of website would you like to create? So basically, we just want to create or make a portfolio. So we're going to click on portfolio right there, and then we're going to click on get started button. Now, once you click on get started, you'll be redirected to this page. You can see you just need to sign up your account. So for example, I just want to enter my email here. So this is weekjohn969 at gmail.com. So just an example. And then basically just need to confirm this email. So I would like to enter again my email address. So again, weekjohn969 at gmail.com. So make sure that you enter the correct email address so you don't have any problems signing in. And then here, choose a password. So basically, we just want to create a password. And once done, just need to click on the sign up button right here at the bottom. Once you click on sign up, as you can see, you can actually save those password on your Google account. And then here, who are you creating website for? So I'll just want to click on for myself because it's a portfolio website. So click on continue button here. And then on the next page, as you can see here, you can get started faster with the help of a AI. So in this case, I just want to manually set up my portfolio website. So I just want to click on go to basic setup. Now here, what type of website do you want to create? So I want a portfolio website. So here, there's a lot of options that you can choose from. Or basically here, I just want to write down digital portfolio. And then here, I just need to click on continue button right here at the right side. Now, once I click on continue, as you can see, preparing your dashboard. So we'll just have to wait for a few seconds here. And then, as you can see, you are now on your Wings dashboard. But an option pops up here, as you can see, again, asking you, what would you like to call your website? So this will be used to customize your online experience. You can enter the name of your site. So basically, it will show up when they are searching for your portfolio website. So for example, just want to name Jan's portfolio, or if you just need to enter some simple portfolio name or website name. So for example, basic portfolio. And then here, choose the apps you'd like to add. So you can add some apps here. Basically, it's Instagram feed, or maybe because it's a portfolio, you can add some pricing plans. So self subscription forms, chat. So you can add more right here. And then once done, click on this continue button. And as you can see, you're all set. So basically, click on continue to dashboard. Now, here on your Wings dashboard, you will find out that there's so many options that you can do to customize your website. So you can actually go to contacts. You can add some contacts here, or you can go to analytics, settings, billing and payments if you want to set up payment methods, or you can actually edit your portfolio settings for projects, collections, or integrations right from here. Now I want to design my website, so I'm going to click on design site right there at the top right. And then here asking you, how would you like to design your website? You have two options. So let Wings create a site for you. So using the site builder, or you want to customize a design template. So for me, because I'm just a beginner, I just want to click this and choose this one. So I'm going to pick a template. So just as you can see here, there's a lot of templates that you can choose from. So basically, you can find some portfolio templates or portfolio website templates. And if you want to see more, basically you can change to another page. So we're going to scroll down and click on the second page here. So we have a lot of some portfolio website, but basically here I just want to choose one that I can use. to customize my own portfolio. So for example, right here, so just click on this edit button to basically edit or customize this website. So as you can see, it is now loading and connecting to your Wings website editor. So once you're on the Wings website editor, you can basically customize, add some elements or some designs on your portfolio website. So as you can see right from here, now an option shows up here, let AI write your site content. So basically AI can help you to create a portfolio website. Basically, you can add more details about your website and AI will generate your site text. So basically here you can type any information or details about your portfolio website. So for example right here and then click on generate site text. But in this case I just want to close this one and manually set up my website. So here we have some options: add elements, sections, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media and CMS. And also here, if we're going to add some page, we'll basically click on the section that you want to edit. And here, in this case, I just want to zoom in to basically see all the informations and details on my website. So you can use some options here at the side menu. For example, if you want some add some elements or add apps, so you can go to Wings App Market, and here you can search for apps that you can actually create a design on your website. For example, here, if you type portfolio, you'll find the Wix portfolio. But in this case, I just install this in my portfolio website. And then basically we have another options if you want to add some elements right here. So basically you can add some buttons, as you can see here, or if you want add some galleries, if you want add some videos and music, social payments, blog bookings, so you can just add to your website. And also you can add some pages from here, and then you can also get some color theme, text theme, or background that you want. So basically, it depends on your own preference on how you can design your portfolio website. So once done, just need to click on publish right there at the top right. And here is your link. So click on view site to see your created portfolio. So actually, you can go to Wings website editor anytime you want. If you want to add some details or edit some components, elements, or page on your website. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.